Madhya Pradesh MSME Minister Chaitanya Kashyap has admitted that 81 assembly constituencies in the state still do not have any developed industrial area. Speaking at a press conference on 2 years of departmental achievements, the minister said the government is aware of this imbalance and is working to correct it. New industrial and startup policies are being introduced to promote balanced regional development. To overcome land shortage, the government plans to build multi-story industrial complexes where more industries can operate in less space. The first such project will begin in Bhopal's Govindpura industrial area and later expand to other major industrial hubs of the state. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav said the grand Ram temple built at Sri Ram Janmabhoomi in Ayodhya is a symbol of centuries-old faith, struggle and determination. Addressing a gathering in Bhopal, he said the state capital is being given a cultural and historical identity through the construction of themed gateways on major roads. These gates will be dedicated to Lord Rama, Lord Krishna, Emperor Vikramaditya and Raja Bhoj. The CM was speaking on the second anniversary of Ram Lala's consecration. He offered prayer at the replica of the Ram temple in Malbinagar and lit lamp to mark the occasion. Water Resources Minister Tulsi Ram Silawat announced that the Ken and Mandakini rivers will be linked as part of Madhya Pradesh long-term water management strategy. Addressing a press conference on 2 years of achievement, he said the state has made strong progress in irrigation expansion. Currently, irrigation facilities cover over 54 lakhs hectares and the target is to increase this to 65 lakhs hectares within 1 year. By 2029, the government aims to expand irrigation coverage to 100 lakhs hectares. This ambitious roadmap is expected to significantly boost agricultural production and improve farmers' income across the state. Tribal Affairs Minister Kunwar Vijay Shah said that Sandipani School will be open in every tribal development block within the next 3 years. Speaking at a media interaction, he said the goal is to ensure equal access to quality education for tribal students. Infrastructures will be upgraded with smart classrooms, laboratories and libraries. Along with Sandipani School, each tribal block will also get a Klavya School, Mata Shabri Girls Education Complexes and residential schools for boys. The government also planned to upgrade tribal religious sites and build art centers in 86 tribal blocks to support cultural and social activities. Senior BJP leader and Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan said Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav is working with even more energy and speed. He made the remarks while responding to questions about Home Minister Amit Shah's praise for the CM during a recent event in Gwalior. Shivraj was also addressing a political controversy over changes proposed to the Manrega scheme. He criticized opposition parties and said development in Madhya Pradesh is moving at a fast pace. Shivraj added that he fully supports the CM's efforts and wished him success in taking the state forward. 3 people have died and more than 35 have fallen ill after drinking contaminated water in Indore's Bhagirathpura area. 2 of the deceased are women. Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya visited the hospital and confirmed the death. Around 20 patients are currently admitted to Verma Hospital while health officials say nearly 150 complaints have been received in the past week. Residents reported symptoms like vomiting and stomach pain. Authorities have started an investigation into the water supply system and steps are being taken to provide safe drinking water to the affected locality. A shocking incident has been reported from Bahadurpur village in Burhanpur district where a man allegedly burned his wife alive after pouring diesel on her. The 33-year-old woman Jyoti suffered severe burn injuries and later died in the hospital. According to her family, the couple had been arguing for the past 2 days. After the incident, the accused husband fled the spot and is currently absconding. The couple has 2 young daughters. Police have registered a case and launched a search operation to arrest the accused. The incident has caused outrage in the local area. Hotels at major religious and tourist destinations in Madhya Pradesh are fully booked ahead of New Year celebrations. Officials estimate that 10 to 12 lakh devotees may visit the Mahakal temple in Ujjain. At Indore's Khajrana Ganesh temple, entry for devotees will be closed after 11 p.m. on December 31st to manage crowds. Popular tourist spots are witnessing heavy bookings as families and groups plan year-end trips. Authorities have increased security and crowd management measures to ensure a smooth celebration. Tourists has been advised to follow guidelines and plan visit in advance. Madhya Pradesh is experiencing severe cold, especially in its eastern region. Chhatarpur, Nagaon recorded the lowest temperature at 3 degrees Celsius, making it the coldest place in the state. Umaria followed closely with 3.1 degrees Celsius. Indian Dori vehicles parked near the Narmada River were seen covered with dew, while fog was visible over Panchmani Lake. In around 25 cities, the minimum temperature dropped below 10 degrees Celsius. Weather officials have warned that cold condition may continue for the next few days, advising people to take precautions.